everyone, and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Since it's February and the month of love, we're going to work on brewing the love potion Amortenia. This powerful potion is said to have a shimmery sheen and has a different aroma for everyone who smells it that reminds the person of things they find most attractive. If you remember, Harry smelled treacle, broomsticks, and Ginny, and Hermione smelled fresh cut grass, new parchment, and Ron's hair. While our Amortenia is not going to work quite the same, it will look, smell, and taste delicious. To begin, we need hibiscus tea. It can either be brewed with hot water, or you can use a concentrate like what I've found here. I'm going to use the concentrate for now, and we're going to make some ice that will add sparkle to the potion as it melts. If you don't have concentrate, just brew some tea and let it cool before starting. To make the ice, we need an ice cube tray. For the sparkle, we need luster dust, which is an edible decorating powder. I have two different colors here, so I'm going to use some of both. I'm just going to add a small amount to each section. The next thing I'm going to do is completely optional. I just thought it might taste good, but will take away from the overall appearance of the potion, so it's up to you. I'm going to crush and add some red berries like raspberries and strawberries to each ice cube section. Now I'm going to pour some of this concentrate into each section. The concentrate contains sugar, so we shouldn't have to add any later. Now that it's filled up, I'll put these in the freezer for a couple of hours or until solid. After it's been a couple hours, I'm now going to brew some of the tea from a bag by placing in the jar and adding 8 to 10 ounces of hot water. We have to let the tea steep for about 5 minutes. While it's doing that, let's get our ice from the freezer. I'm going to put the cubes in a bowl and then set them aside. Alright, the tea is ready now, so I'll remove the bag and squeeze it out. If you've been using brewed tea this whole time, now is where you want to add sugar or sweetener. If you want it sweet, that is. Now I'll add a few drops of vanilla extract and a bit of lemonade. How much you add is up to you. I want my drink to stay this dark color, so I'm just adding a little. Next, it's time for the fun part. We're going to add the ice and watch the luster dust swirl. For now, I'm just adding 2 ice cubes and we'll test for sweetness later. You can really see the sparkle now. Now we can close up the jar and add a fun label. And last but not least, let's enjoy the brewed potion.